What are you doing, Jack? Oh, interesting. Bring that to Mommy. Jack. Hey, what do you have on your feet? Apparently the bag spilled in there, didn't it? What's on your feet? Jack, what are you wearing on your feet? Yeah. You have your boots on? Do you have your boots on? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Where are you going? Where are you going? Yeah? Are you going to go without me? I like your hair. It's pretty fancy. What are you doing? Are you playing with your camera? Alright, Jack, can you say bye-bye? Jack? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Jack. You are such a monkey. Alright, bye-bye.